Hey guys, my name is Lottie from Running on Veggies. I just moved to a studio apartment in New York City, and room and board were one of the first places that I reached out to when I moved because I'm all about investing in quality pieces that I know I'll have for a lifetime, but I also wanted to utilize their free design service. So I worked with Steph from their interior design team to really make it work and make it function in a small space. Stay tuned to see how we got it done.
Hi Lottie, how are you today?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing well. Thanks so much for sending all the photos, your dimensions. I was able to put a floor plan together. We moved a couple things around to make sure you gain the maximum amount of light in your space. So what I've done is I've placed a couple swivel chairs in here, whether you want to turn and look out the window or you want to turn toward the table. What do you think about the layout this way? I know you had your bed in a different spot.
Seeing how the space functions in 3D, it makes a lot more sense. I really want to maximize the windows and that natural light coming in. So after seeing this, I think I'm willing to move my bed.
Well, the nice thing is just with the click of a button, we can put it wherever we want to. I wanted to show you the nightstands. This is only 18 by 18, but you get a drawer and you have some storage under here. You could put a basket under there with more storage. What do you think about Villa?
I really like it. I think it has that antique kind of look.
The biggest piece that's going to be on the rug is going to be the grove bed. Low footboard, but there's still some interest there. Kind of cleans up the sight line a little bit. I can send you some swatches of leathers and fabrics. You can go back at the floor plan and see if we want to make any changes as you have some time. I'll send you the floor plan so you can look at it more closely.
This is so exciting. It's so exciting to see it come to life virtually, and I'm excited to see it in my own space.
Love these pieces of furniture because although I'm in a small space now, eventually when I move to a bigger apartment, these will work really nicely either in a bedroom or a living area. I love this area of the room. It is very cozy, comfortable. It works for eating and lounging. I fell in love with the Otis chair in this camel color with this black marble table. It was super important that I pick pieces that will last and stay with me for a lifetime.